Hey, what's up everybody? Zach Laban here, coming at you with another episode of Film Shifts. In this episode, I'm going to go over some recent installations I did on my video editing computer. A while back I realized I needed a lot more additional RAM for my editing computer. Full disclosure, I know very little about the inner workings of computers. And thankfully, I've got some friends that know way more about this stuff than I do. My good buddy Roger Banks helped me along the way with these new installations. Roger suggested that I order new RAM from Newegg.com. So in our discussions, Roger and I talked about different ways that I could purchase some RAM. And of course, this day and age now, the best route to go is online purchasing. Here's the thing. Even though Roger and I discussed which RAM would be best, in my lack of communication, I misunderstood Roger's advice, and I ordered the wrong kind of RAM for my editing computer. It was a huge hassle to get a refund and to get the wrong part correctly replaced. And I will fully admit it's my fault. It's got to be compatible, the right parts with the right computer. You got to look at compatibility, and I did not. So it was a whole big thing about sending the wrong RAM back to Newegg, getting in touch with their customer service, and shipping the correct piece of RAM back to me. Everybody knows whenever you try to send something back, it takes forever and it sucks. But once I was able to get a hold of an actual customer representative of Newegg, they helped me out, and the process from there on out was smooth. They refunded my money and sent me the right stick of RAM. And I should mention that Newegg did pay for the shipping. Once I received the correct RAM, installing it wasn't that hard. All I really had to do was just literally take off the sidewall of the machine and click, literally just push and click the stick of RAM into place. And that's pretty much it. To me, in the beginning, all of this seemed like a pretty big hassle, but I kept telling myself it's all part of the learning process. And PC building is definitely worth the hassle. Thanks to Newegg. They are not a sponsor of this show. I just want to shout out to them. Thank you for being so awesome. And thank you to my buddy Roger Banks for helping me continue to build my editing machine. I'm going to list the full specs of my editing machine below. If there's anything that I missed, please comment or email me or hit me up on Instagram. I sure do appreciate it. Peace.